National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hunley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Crystal Lake around 6:20 p.m. Algonquin and Lake, Indiana the Hills around 6:25 p.m. Cary, Fox River Grove, Barrington Hills, and Oakwood Hills around 6:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Island Lake and Port Barrington. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.